Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make fast zoom background effect like this in Filmora and also After Effects. I will guide you step by step on how to make this cool effect so you can easily follow my steps, so let's get started. Alright, first I will show you how to do it in Filmora. So select the clip and first adjust the speed and add a zoom effect. So go to the speed, select custom and adjust the graph like this. Also make sure to enable optical flow. Next, let's add the zoom effect. Select the crop tool, then go to pan and zoom and create the zoom in effect like this. After that, click apply. Once you've added the zoom, you should adjust the scale a bit. Go to the video, then adjust the scale and position as you like. After that, you need to export the video because we cannot do the face tracking with these zooms and speeds. So go to export and export the clip like this. After that, add the exported clip to Filmora and place it on the timeline. Now we can proceed with the head tracking part, so let's add Mocha Filmora. Then do the tracking part like this. If you need a step-by-step tutorial on Filmora face tracking, you can watch my previous tutorial after this one. Once you complete the face tracking, let's see how to make a fast zoom background. First, duplicate this layer by holding the Alt key and dragging to create a copy. Then hide the bottom layer for now. Then go to AI tools and use Portrait Cutout or Smart Cutout for the roto brush. I used Smart Cutout, then drew the selection like this. I added a few more selections for a better result. After that, click Start. Then adjust the edge thickness and feather as needed, then click Save. Now that the roto brush part is finished, let's make the fast background. Hide the roto brushed layer, then add the clips you want for the background effect. I added this clip first, then took a few frames from it. Also, the speed of the zoom background depends on the length of the clip. In this case, I take 6 frames. So after that, you need to do the same for each clip you add. So here I use an easy method. I duplicate this clip a few times like this. Then go to the second clip, select the clip you want to replace with, and hold the Alt key and drop to replace the clip like this. Then adjust the scale and position of these clips accordingly. So before adding zooms, convert these clips into compound clips because it's the easiest way to add zooms. So select the first clip and press Alt-G to create a compound clip. Next, add zoom effects by increasing the scale to around 150 and create a keyframe. Then go to the end and change it back to 100. Alright, now we added the zoom out effect. Then you need to copy this effect and paste it on other clips like this. Also, I added a few duplicates of these clips here. And now our fast zoom part looks like this. Alright, next, let's add some effects. So first we need to add an adjustment layer. So I add it like this. Then go to the Effects tab and search Distorting Fisheye Reverse Effect. And add it to the layer. In the effects settings, change the strength value to 100. Next, add dispersion blur and adjust the blur intensity to 15 and keep the blur type at 2 for a chromatic aberration look. Next, search for Morph Glitch Effect and add it to the layer. Then set the strength to 0. Then add Pixel Sorting Effect and adjust the glow as needed. So here I'm setting it to 0. Then add the psychedelic effect. And set the strength to 100. So finally add the no signal glitch effect. And bring down the wave amplitude to 0. So these are the effects we use for this zoom background. And now here's what it looks like. Alright, after that we can unhide the roto-brushed layer. So finally, let's add the part of the original background. So for that, select the roto-brushed layer and duplicate it. Then remove the Smart Cutout option. Then go to the mask. Select the rectangle mask and adjust it like this. And it's done, so here's how it looks. So guys, that's how you can create a fast zoom background effect in Filmora. Next, let's see how to do it in After Effects. So here I added my clip and did the basic stuff like face tracking and adding Twixtor. Then you need to change the clip to a compound clip. Select the layer and press Ctrl+Shift+C to create a compound clip. Copy these settings and hit OK. In here I canceled this step since I already completed it. Next, we move to the Roto Brush part. Select the Roto Brush tool and set the preview quality to full, then double-click the clip and draw the selection like this. You can hold the Alt key to remove unwanted parts. After that, move the playhead to render the selection. Check if it's good, then hit the freeze button. Then go to the roto brush settings and set edge feather to about 10 to complete this part. Next, let's make our fast zoom background effect. First, add your clips. Then select a 5 or 6 frame long part of each clip, like this. Next, adjust the layers like this. Also, we need few more clips, so I add it. After that, adjust the clip's positions like this. To add the zoom effect, let's create an adjustment layer, so select all the clips and add the adjustment layers like this. So select the adjustment layer and add S-Blurmo curve effect. Then change wrap X and Y to reflect. As we'll be doing a zoom out effect, set the Z distance to 0.7 and create a keyframe. Then go to the end and set it back to 1. This gives a zoom out effect like this. Next, select both keyframes and apply this graph. After that, copy this zoom effect and paste it onto the other layers like this. So now our fast zoom effect looks like this. Then select all layers and convert them into a compound clip. Then bring down the zoom effect layer. Now let's add some effects to this. First, add an adjustment layer and apply the preset I use. So after adding that, it gives this kind of look. I'll show you the effects I use. So first, I use unichromatic aberration effect. This gives a nice RGB chromatic look for the edges like this. Then I add optics compensation. It gives this nice warp effect. Then I use the glitchify effect to create this glitch effect. And finally, I add the hue sat bright effect to increase the brightness a little bit. Also, feel free to tweak these settings as you like. So next, let's add the part of the original background. So I select the roto brush layer and duplicate it. Then remove the roto brush effect on that layer. Then select the shape tool and draw the mask like this. Then adjust the edge feather like this. And also let's adjust this glitch slice position a little bit. So go to the image glitch, select glitch slice, and then adjust the position like this. Now we complete the fast zoom background part with these steps. So next let's add the zoom effect. so I add another adjustment layer like this. Then add the S-Blurmo curve effect. Then change wrap X and Y to reflect, and create a keyframe on Z distance set to 1 at the start. Move this keyframe to the beginning, then change Z distance to 0.7, and move the other keyframe to the end. Then adjust the center point. Then select both keyframes and apply this graph. Finally, add RSMB for smoothness, so select all layers and change into a compound clip. Then apply the RSMB effect with RSMB Pro for better results. As normal RSMB can cause some frame blending glitches, so for that use RSMB Pro. And that's it. That's how you can create a fast zoom background effect in After Effects and Filmora. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're looking for more tutorials like this, you can simply join my channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.